Do you have a cracked or chipped tooth? Are your teeth stained? Perhaps you have some teeth that don't match in size, shape, or spacing. One of the most significant advancements in dental technology is cosmetic bonding, an effective way to correct aesthetic problems and give you a great, natural-looking smile. Bonding materials come in a wide variety of shades to match your existing teeth. Compared to other cosmetic or restorative procedures, dental bonding is relatively inexpensive. The procedure is comfortable and doesn't generally require anesthesia. It affects your natural teeth very little and has great versatility. First, your dentist prepares the tooth surface by conditioning it with an etching solution and may reshape it slightly. Next, a durable tooth-colored composite resin is applied to the tooth and hardened with a curing light. More layers are added, sculpted, and polished for realistic finish. It really is amazing how artistic and lifelike tooth repair with cosmetic bonding can be these days, and the results are most often accomplished in just one visit. Cosmetic bonding can be a permanent solution to restoring your smile. It can also serve as a temporary restoration, while more advanced procedures such as porcelain veneers or crowns are planned. And it's a particularly great solution for kids who chip or break their teeth, a good thing since tooth-related injuries are so common among young children and teenagers. Are there any disadvantages to bonding? Well, over time, composite resins can absorb stains just as natural teeth do. The more coffee, tea, or wine you drink, or cigarettes you smoke, the more discolored your composite restorations may become. If you have these habits, porcelain veneers or crowns which don't stain and are longer lasting may be a better choice for you. Avoid nail biting, as this habit, along with any others that place excessive force on your teeth, can cause the bonding material to chip. How well your bonded teeth hold up over time is largely up to you. Adults, teenagers, and children have all enjoyed the many benefits of bonding with composite resin. Is bonding right for you? Schedule an appointment to find out.